question. Here in this question, what we can do, since it's asking the constant term, so the thing here is there is x squared and there is x. So you can see the combinations. First of all, you remember for the first variable we are using 12. For the second one we start with the 0. Yeah, so that's mean here for the first variable you keep decreasing. So 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. And then for the second one you start decreasing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So here this is x square and here this is x only. So if this is the case, 12c0 definitely we're not going to get here, not here, and then not here.
It's 0, 1.
So in this question, so what we can do here is 12c0, we start with that, and then 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So now from here if we look at this one, so here definitely we're not going to get the constant term, because constant term is when there is no x should be cancelled out. So for one of them, so if we use the combination formula, so 12 c what, so if you look back on this one, so 4 times 2 is 8 and here it's 8, so 12 c 8. So that's mean in the first bracket you will say 4x square and in the second bracket minus 3 over 2x. So here this will be 8 and here this is 4. So if you simply use the calculator for this, so definitely you will come up with the final answer. Can you? So
For
answer
this,
to this question will be 3, 2, 4, 7, 6, 9, 5. Since you can see here, because this is x squared, so 4 times 2 is 8, so x to the power 8, and here 1 over x to the power 8, so this will cancel out, and there is even power, so the minus will become plus. So here for 12c8 you're going to use combination formula, or you can use direct, like calculator. So this will be 12 factorial over 12 minus 8, which is 4 factorial and 8 factorial. So if you simplify this, you will come up with the answer. But since you are allowed to use calculator, this is a paper too, so you can come up with the answer.